Hey everyone! So the objective we have in math today is to draw the hands on a clock. We've really been doing this for a while now, the difference between the hour hand and the minute hand. We're just working on putting it all together to show the correct time. Okay? So a little bit of clock and hand drawing to finish up the unit. We're getting close now. I'm going to go ahead and make these just a tiny bit bigger, because I think it's easier for you guys to see when they're at least medium. I like that a little better. There we go. All right, so I'm not going to do all 6 examples, some of which are quite straightforward, right? The red hands go with the hours. The blue hands go with the minutes. So in some of these examples, they've done the hours for us. In other examples, they've done the minutes. So we really have to just figure out what's missing, okay? So think about red and blue. So this first one, they've done the 8 o'clock for us. So they did the red, right? The 8 o'clock is the red. The blue is going to be 0 minutes, right? 8 o'clock. So I'm going to draw the minute hand going straight up. And I know because you're on your iPad and I'm on the computer, we're not going to be able to do it perfectly, but as straight as you can and then as long as you can to differentiate the minute hand from the hour hand. 11:05. They've done the 11. We have to show the 05 in this case, right? So just like over here, we did the blue minutes. We're going to do the blue minutes over here. Here's one where they've done the 3, but we have to do the 20. They've done the 12:30, but we have to, or they've done the 12, but we have to do the 30. Okay? Let me go and do one of these that they've already done, the blue. So here they've done the 45. I just have to do the 8. So we know it's 8 something. 8:45. And the reason I picked this one is because 8:45 does not point at the 8. It really doesn't. It's had 45 minutes to go past the 8. So believe it or not, when you're looking at 8:45 on the clock, you're going to look at a clock that's getting close to 9 o'clock. It's only a few minutes away from 9. So it's getting closer and closer to that 9 o'clock number on the clock face. So that's a tricky one there. Same 5:15 down here. It's not going to be as tricky because it's only had 15 minutes to go by, so it's probably pretty much still close to the 5. So the idea here is we're just putting it all together, drawing some hands on some clocks. When I put this into Seesaw for you, I'll make maybe just 4 of them, and I'll make them bigger so you guys can really show what you got going on.